Welcome back. I'll show you how to find the correct Power CLI commands. We'll be looking at 3 main commands that you can use to make your work with VMware modules easier. So, let's get started. Before starting, you need to import the VMware Power CLI module. If you need more information about how to install and import VMware Power CLI module, the video above is for you. The first command we're going to explore is Get-VICommand. This function retrieves all commands of the VMware modules. I'll type Get-VICommand in Power CLI, and as you can see, it displays all available commands. If you need to cancel this task at any point, simply press Ctrl and C. Next, we have the Get-Help command. This function provides all the details about a command, including its syntax. For example, let's get the syntax of Get-VICommand. Now you can see the description, parameters, and the syntax of the command in Power CLI. If you want to view this output in a separate window, you can use the Show Window parameter. By adding Show Window at the end of the Help command, you can get the output in a separate window. The third command is Get-Command. To find the syntax of Get-Command, I'll type Help Get-Command. Now, let me show you how to use Get-Command to find a specific command according to your requirements. For example, type Get, command, noun, command, to see all commands with a noun with command. This means if you need to find any command related to VMs, you can type Get-Command, noun, VM. Now you can see all commands with VM in their name, such as export VM, move VM, and new VM, etc. If you need to find the syntax of a selected command, type help followed by the command name. For example, I'll type help start VM, and now you can see the syntax related to VM. Another example, if you need to perform any task related to snapshots, you can find available commands by typing get, command, noun, snapshot. This will display all available commands related to snapshots. That's it for today's tutorial on finding the correct Power CLI commands. In our next video, we'll discuss how to connect to an vCenter server and ESXi host using PowerShell. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.